BBD test is conducted on site to check the structural stability and for the design of overlay on the existing payment layer. Now this is a live demonstration of conducting BBD test. I will just show you one simple example of taking the BBD readings. This is a truck which is loaded with the 8170 kg axle load and with the required tire pressure. BBD equipment is taken and probe is placed exactly at the center of two wheels. So this is a probe which is kept in between the two tires. Now this is a BBD equipment, and here initial setting is to be done to fix the supports. This is a dial gauge, and here there are two more supports when that need to be adjusted to get the perfect support. And then the moment we need to take the initial readings, this dial gauge is set to 0 and that is treated as the initial reading. And then the intermediate reading is taken at a distance of 2.7 meters. The truck is made to move to 2.7 meters to take the intermediate reading. Now this is initial set to 0, then truck is made to move up to 2.7 meters, and this is the intermediate reading, that is 0.07. You can read it from the digital dial gauge. And then once again that truck is made to move up to 9 meters from that intermediate point, and then final reading is taken. This after 9 meters, this reading which we will obtain from the dial gauge is treated as a final reading, and this initial, intermediate and final readings are used in the design of overlay, and in the meantime it is required to check the payment temperature. This is one more video to check the temperature. See here that in the payment structure a hole need to be drilled, and in that a glycerol need to be filled, and after that the thermometer need to be kept at that hole, and then you can read the temperature. Even these temperature readings will help in calculating the exact deflection, which will help in the design of overlay. This is how BBD tests are done, and designing of overlay will be easy by using these deflection readings. Thank you.